Hello everyone, this is me Lisa. Today I'm going to show you how to use the alignment tool properly in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, at first I will open Adobe Illustrator and I will see how many alignment I can do. Okay, this will do the horizontal align left. At first I will take two rectangle for it, so I'll take color for it. Okay, I'll take a red color for one, and the another one I will take a blue or green color. Okay, so I will make these two align. Okay, so at first I have to select the both. So I can select like that. Even I can select pressing shift, select 1 and 2. So if I click this one, so this one is horizontal left aligned. So if I click this one, this is centered aligned. Okay, if I click this one, this is horizontally aligned in the right side. And if I click this one is vertical aligned in the top, and if I click this one is vertically aligned in the center. And I'm going to click the vertical aligned bottom, so this is this. And if I'm going to distribute object, then I'll take the another object, like I will draw some lines, pressing the shift so that it will be straight. They will create no angle like that. Okay, I have taken these types of line, so I will use the vertical distribute top. Okay, I select all of this and the vertical distribute top, so each of this lines spacing has become uniform. So this is the purpose, that each of the line will be uniformly distanced from the other one. Okay, if I do this one, so this one create the same, so this will create from the top and this will create from the center. So for observing this, I will make this one like this. I will move this line like this. Okay, now I will select this and I will click this. That means it is vertical distribute from the center. So this is the same one. It will make one the line center, and from that it will be spaced from that line. Okay, so if I do this create the same vertical distribute from bottom. So it will start from this. First one start from the top. The second one start from the center, and the third one start from the bottom. So if I do this, then horizontal distribute left. Okay, I can make these lines like that. Okay, so if I make this line a little bit spacious, I will do this. Okay, now again I'm selecting all of this. Now I will click this. Okay, this is making the each of the line horizontally distributed left. It start from the left side. Okay, if I do this, it distribution start from the center, and if I do this will start from the right. Okay, this is a very easy tool to use, but some of us don't know what type of alignment. So this is for the this tutorial is for the beginner who is operating Illustrator for the first time, or learning Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. So this is not for the for who knows already about Illustrator. So that's all for today. Have a good day.